Hi everyone, Stephanie here, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the similarities and the differences between the Kenmore canister vacuum and the Aspiron canister vacuum. So let's get into it. All right, let's start with the Aspiron canister vacuum. This one is actually my favorite for a couple of reasons. So this one comes with 5 different attachment heads. So this is really good for like getting pet hair, which we have cat and a dog, so we have a ton of pet hair. So pet hair, you have this small tool, you have this upholstery tool, you have a crevice tool, and then you have this, and they all are interchangeable right down here. So the Aspiron canister vacuum does have a 20-foot rewind cord. So you just press this button right here. And when this one is running, it's only running at about 70 decibels. And in comparison, the Kenmore runs at about 78 decibels. So this one's quieter. Now, the biggest difference here is this one is bagless. This has a very large, almost 4-quart canister that you empty, while the Kenmore is actually a bagged canister vacuum. And I just don't have a whole lot of time for that. Now, they are both lightweight. They are both maneuverable. However, I find that the Aspiron one is just easier to move around. It's got this really nice convenient handle right here, whereas the Kenmore doesn't really have that one. You kind of have to roll it around in order to maneuver it around. It does have a larger vacuum head here than the Aspiron, but the Aspiron is so powerful, it doesn't really need that large of a head. This runs at about 1200 watts. Now, they also both are good for multiple surfaces, so that's why I have 2 of them. I have tile, hardwood, and carpet. So I keep one upstairs, one downstairs. They can both go on both different kinds of flooring, and they both have a HEPA filter. So while both of these are really great canister vacuums, I have to go with the Aspiron simply because it's bagless. And I find that it's easier to maneuver around with the convenient handle, and it has more attachments, especially that pet attachment to get all of that really stubborn pet hair out of my upholstery and my furniture. So if you were looking at either one of these and you were just trying to decide which one is right for you, I hope that you found this comparison helpful. Thank you so much for watching.